Did you know that every year, the world harvests more than 180 million tons of tomatoes? This familiar fruit has become an indispensable part of daily life and global cuisine. But from sun-drenched fields to modern processing plants, tomatoes go through an extraordinary journey before appearing on our dining tables. Let's explore that story together in today's video. Tomatoes are one of the most important crops in global agriculture. In the United States, California and Florida lead production, accounting for more than two-thirds of the nation's fresh tomato output. This success comes from a combination of ideal climate conditions, farmers' experience, and advanced cultivation techniques. Tomato planting usually begins in early spring, when temperatures are warm enough to avoid the risk of frost. Seeds are germinated in specialized trays using loose, nutrient-rich soil and are kept consistently moist. After just 1 to 2 weeks, the first young sprouts appear with tender leaves, signaling that the plants are ready for the next stage of growth. When tomato plants develop their first true leaves, they are transferred to outdoor fields. This step requires gentle handling to protect the still delicate root systems and is often assisted by machinery to increase accuracy. Plants are spaced at appropriate intervals, allowing sunlight and nutrients to be evenly distributed. Thanks to timely transplanting, the plants adapt easily to their new environment and grow steadily until harvest season. To ensure stable growth and high yields, tomato plants must be cared for regularly and scientifically. The soil needs to be kept sufficiently moist to support healthy root development without becoming waterlogged. At the same time, frequent pest inspections and the application of safe control measures help protect the plants from harmful agents. In addition, removing old leaves and excess side shoots allows the plant to concentrate nutrients on fruit development, thereby improving harvest quality. Tomato flowers are pale yellow and typically appear in spring and early summer. In addition to natural pollination by wind and insects, farmers often provide manual assistance to increase fruit set. They gently shake the plants or use small brushes to transfer pollen to the stigma, a method that is especially effective under unfavorable weather conditions, helping to improve both yield and fruit quality. As summer arrives, tomatoes gradually change from green to a vibrant red, reaching ideal ripeness with rich flavor. Harvesting at the right time helps preserve the fruit's natural quality. On large-scale farms, this process is mainly carried out using mechanized systems, allowing large volumes to be collected in a short period while maintaining a consistent harvesting schedule. Modern tomato harvesters are designed to operate efficiently across large areas, with the ability to accurately identify plant positions and ripe fruit. Automatic cutting blades separate the plant stems, while soft conveyor belts gently carry the tomatoes into collection compartments without damaging their skins. Some machines are also equipped with sensors that remove damaged or underripe fruit directly in the field, improving product quality before the tomatoes even reach the factory. After harvesting, tomatoes are quickly transported to processing plants and handled within 6 hours. Thanks to this rapid process, the flavor, aroma, and overall quality of the tomatoes are preserved, even when the products are canned and stored for many years. Before entering the processing line, tomato samples are taken to evaluate ripeness, shape, and essential chemical indicators. They are then thoroughly cleaned to remove soil, stems, and any remaining impurities on the skin. The washing process uses clean water combined with high-pressure spray systems and aeration tanks, allowing deep cleaning down to the smallest crevices. As a result, the tomatoes are both hygienic and able to retain their natural freshness. Next, 2 optical sorting systems remove underripe fruit, ensuring uniform quality for the subsequent steps. Tomatoes are peeled in specialized machines at temperatures of around 90 degrees Celsius, combined with vacuum chambers that allow the skins to separate gently. After that, rollers remove any remaining peel fragments. Before canning, the products are inspected by optical systems and manually sorted to ensure that only tomatoes meeting quality standards proceed to processing. The peeled tomatoes are canned together with tomato sauce, which is produced simultaneously on a separate production line. This sauce is made from fresh tomatoes that have had their skins and seeds removed. then are finely ground and concentrated to perfection. Once the cans are filled, they are tightly sealed to preserve freshness and extend shelf life. After canning, the products are sterilized at various temperature levels, which can reach up to 90 degrees Celsius, and then cooled with cold water. The entire process goes through more than 12 rigorous inspection steps to ensure standards for pH levels, color, consistency, and the absence of mold or residual peel. Each batch is also isolated for additional testing before being exported to global markets. Tomato sauce is not only a convenient product but also a reflection of the harmonious combination of traditional techniques and modern technology, delivering rich flavor from carefully selected ripe tomatoes. In addition to ketchup, tomatoes are also canned whole to preserve their freshness. The process begins with selecting tomatoes that meet strict standards and cleaning them thoroughly to ensure food safety. They are then sorted by size, color, and quality, and arranged according to their intended use. The tomatoes that meet all requirements are packaged and distributed to the market. Thanks to their distinctive flavor and versatile culinary uses, tomatoes have become a familiar ingredient in many dishes. Canning not only enables long-term preservation but also provides convenience for consumers when preparing quick, nutritious meals. Today, the tomato farming industry has undergone significant changes thanks to modern technology. Automated grafting systems are gradually replacing manual methods, delivering greater uniformity and efficiency. At the same time, machines equipped with smart sensors can accurately identify fruit ripeness during harvesting, enabling fast processing while maintaining quality. These innovations help reduce labor costs, meet market demand, and promote sustainable agricultural development. Tomatoes are now among the most important agricultural products worldwide, with continuously growing production volumes and commercial value. In 2020, global tomato production reached approximately 186 million tons. And this figure is expected to continue growing at an average rate of 3.2% per year, reaching about 223 million tons by 2026. The three leading producing countries are China, India, and Turkey, with China accounting for as much as 31% of total global output and also ranking first in per capita consumption. India and the United States follow behind, respectively. Thank you for joining us on this journey exploring the world of agriculture and tomato processing. We hope this documentary has provided valuable insights. If you have any thoughts or related experiences, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to discover more fascinating stories. See you in the next video.